Forte refrigerator model F15TFRESSS error codes. 28-inch stainless steel counter-depth top freezer refrigerator in stainless steel. Error codes. With regard to the following small faults, not every failure needs to be fixed by the technical service personnel. You can try to solve the problem. Case. Completely non-refrigeration. Inspection. Is power plug off? Are breakers and fuses broken? No electricity or line trip? Solution. Re-plug. Opening the door and checking whether the lamp is lit. Case. Abnormal noise. Inspection. Is refrigerator stable? Does refrigerator contact the wall? Solution. Adjusting refrigerator's leveling feet. Off the wall. Case. Poor refrigerating efficiency. Inspection. Do you put hot food or too much food? Do you open the door frequently? Do you clip food bag to the door gasket? Direct sunlight or near a furnace or stove? Is it well ventilated? Temperate. Solution. Putting food into refrigerator when hot food becomes cool. Checking and closing the door. Removing the refrigerator from the heat source. Emptying the distance to maintain good ventilation. Question mark. Setting to the appropriate temperature. Case. Peculiar smell in refrigerator. Inspection. Any spoiled food? Do you need to clean refrigerator? Have you packed food of strong flavors? Solution. Throwing away spoiled food. Cleaning refrigerator. Packing food of strong flavors. Case. The refrigerator lamp is off. Inspection. Does the refrigerator door stay open? Solution. Close the door and open it again, so as to observe whether the refrigerator light up normally.